Due to significant growth, Merit Medical, a major surgical medical device manufacturer, expanded and automated their East Coast distribution operation. The technology investment resulted in a 200% boost in productivity and a dramatic reduction in the time required to ship high-priority orders to their clients. The Automated Order Fulfillment Center was designed and implemented by the system integrator specialists at PeakLogix and the Numina Group. Numina Group's real-time distribution software, RDS, obtains order details from Merit Medical's Oracle ERP WMS and directs the pick by voice process. RDS Voice is a speaker-independent voice technology that requires zero operator voice training. The orders release in a continuous wave picking process that directs the operators to the highest priority pick zones. As the operators start each picking assignment, they reference the real-time order dashboard to start picking in the highest priority zone. Pickers are directed in an optimized travel path and are instructed to pick multiple order types, interleaving full case, repack items to totes, full pallet, and pick to conveyor. RDS Voice combines voice commands and hands-free barcode scanning to capture the medical device's lot and serial number. As each product is picked, the serial number is scan validated. An order-specific barcode label prints and is placed onto the item. The result? Picking accuracy of 99.99%. At completion of picking, the operator is directed to unload cases and totes onto a TGW motor-driven roller conveyor, an automated sortation system designed and implemented by PeakLogix. Full case parcel shipments transport to the automated print and apply labeling area or transport directly to the LTL pallet build area. Repack totes are scanned and diverted to the order consolidation put wall. Order consolidation for split case orders picked across all zones of the warehouse is managed using a put and pack to light wall. Operators scan each item's barcode identifier and a message display and light is energized to direct the placement to the assigned cubby. When the last item is confirmed to the order's cubby, a display in the backside of the pack to light wall is illuminated to direct order packing. The pack operator performs packing by using a workstation to print the order barcode ID and place the packed carton onto the conveyor. The packed cartons, as well as full cases shipping via parcel carriers, are conveyed to the automatic scan weigh dimensioning and auto print and apply labeling system. The system automates the shipping manifesting, labeling, and application of the packing sheet. Numina Group's One-Step Plus labeling is a cutting-edge technology that prints, folds, and applies a single or duplex 8.5 by 11 packing sheet underneath a removable shipping label. One-Step Plus eliminates tasks of hand-applying shipping labels and manually printing, folding and placing the packing sheet into a plastic pouch, and applying the pouch onto the outside of the carton. The system saves over a minute of labor from every parcel shipment. Cartons and cases then convey and are sorted to the carrier trailer loading lanes. Cartons and cases that are part of a consolidated LTL shipment transport to the voice-directed LTL order build area. The pallet build operators are voice-directed to scan and validate the mixed case and carton pallet contents. Merit Medical's investment in Numina Group's voice-directed pick, pack, ship automation throughout the entire fulfillment operation resulted in a rapid ROI. Numina Group's real-time distribution software, RDS, manages the entire pick, pack, and ship order fulfillment automation throughout the distribution center. The RDS Order Fulfillment Automation Suite provides a complete solution that's guaranteed to increase your warehouse productivity and profitability. Contact the Numina Group today to learn how we can streamline your distribution center.